Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how you can disable your touch screen on Windows 11 and 10. Whether you are using PC or laptop, most of this functionality will be on the laptop. So let's start. Open your device manager simply. You can search here device manager. Open the device manager. Now on this screen, click on the human interface devices. And from here, look for the options touch screen. There will be two options here, HID compliant touch screen, HID compliant touch screen. Make sure you select that option, just make a right click on that and simply disable it. Confirm it, and once you disable it, your touch screen will be disabled. If you want to keep it enabled in the future, just go to the same options and then enable it simply. You may have multiple options related to touch screen. You can disable other as well. If you don't have any one options and that is not working, you can try with another one and disable only related to touch screen on your Windows. This is a short video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.